Welcome to our channel, where we deliver daily doses of product expertise. If you're on the hunt for the best TKL, Tenkeyless, keyboards, you're in the right place. We've got the inside scoop on the top choices in the market. At our channel, we're dedicated to providing you with high-quality content every day, so you can make informed decisions about a wide range of products. Stay tuned for our expert recommendations, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with the latest reviews and tech insights. Let's dive into the world of TKL keyboards together. Number 1. Razer Huntsman V2 TKL. The Huntsman V2 TKL is a surprisingly balanced gaming keyboard that works well for gaming, productivity, and everyday typing. Like most gaming keyboards, you can configure any key, customize RGB lighting, and program macros using Razer's Synapse 3 desktop app. The PBT double-shot keycaps ensure that its lettering will never fade. It even ships with a detachable wrist pad. But its best feature is the super responsive typing performance. This wired keyboard features Razer's proprietary optical switches, with the choice of either Razer click switches for clicky, but not clacky, stab feedback, or second-gen Razer linear switches that offer a quick, silent press. The kicker, which makes it stand out for non-gamers, is its built-in sound-dampening foam that reduces the typing noise that makes mechanical keyboards hard to use considerately in the workplace. Luckily, you don't have to use 8000 Hz polling to enjoy using the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL. It is simply a snappy, easy typing keyboard that can work wonders for anybody. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is truly unique. Rather than picking a mechanical key type to create a specific feel, the Apex Pro features proprietary OmniPoint switches with adjustable resistance and actuation. Using SteelSeries engine configuration software, you can change the feel of most keys whenever you want to fit your personal preferences for different tasks. The linear style keys have a unique feel, which may be an acquired taste, but offer incredible utility for those who want to tinker and figure out exactly what they like. The Apex Pro TKL also features a robust suite of luxury features for a TKL keyboard. It has a dedicated volume wheel for quick sound adjustments, USB pass-through, a detachable wrist rest, and an integrated OLED screen used to control the keyboard settings, and can even display useful info for some games and apps. As with most gaming keyboards, SteelSeries Engine allows you to store multiple configuration profiles, adjust its RGB lighting, and more. Number 3. Logitech G915 Lightspeed. For a mechanical gaming keyboard, the Logitech G915 Lightspeed looks shockingly sleek. A thin, 22mm slate covered with low-profile switches, it achieves an Apple-esque futuristic look that stands out as sharp and exciting. Low-profile switches are shorter, which means they offer less travel or distance from unpressed to fully pressed down. Among mechanical keyboards, less travel usually equates to a less comfortable typing feel, but Logitech's proprietary low-profile GL switches find a sweet spot between laptop keyboard quickness and a satisfying press. The Lightspeed in the Logitech G915's name refers to Logitech's proprietary wireless technology. It connects to your PC using a 2.4 GHz Lightspeed connection via a USB dongle, but also supports Bluetooth wireless for non-gaming applications. As for battery life, you can expect around 40 hours of use on a single charge as long as you keep the per-key RGB lighting on, and turning it off will naturally boost your use time. Number 4. Drop Control. The Drop Control offers a fantastic typing experience out of the box, but allows for enthusiast customization. Drop, a social marketplace for deals and user-requested gear designs, has a lot to offer for enthusiast keyboard fans. If you like to build your own keyboards, or modify them with custom keycaps and switches, it has a wealth of resources to purchase. Not all keyboards are built to let you hot swap or install new switches without taking your keyboard apart. As you might expect, Drop's pre-built options do, and they make it pretty easy. As an enthusiast's keyboard, the Control is more focused on aesthetics and pure typing feel, rather than other features. Unlike the gaming keyboards on this list, you can only customize your configuration using a clunky web-based tool. Still, the Drop Control has an incredible typing feel, even if you don't touch the switches. You have the option to play around, but you're getting a winner even if you don't touch a thing. Number 5. Corsair K70 RGB TKL Champion Series. The Corsair K70 Champion Series packs high-end specs and features at a mid-range price. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL is not the cheapest best TKL keyboard you can find, but it is a very strong value for its price. It features lots of little amenities, ranging from common TKL upgrades like PBT keycaps and customizable RGB lighting, to less common flourishes like built-in media buttons and a volume roller. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL Champion Series is an esports keyboard, not just a gaming keyboard, so it also has features like 8000 Hz polling and a tournament mode switch, which temporarily turns off custom macros and other features that may interfere during official competitive play. That may seem frivolous for some, but its other quality of life features are novel and great for any gamer.